tape some of these to the drone, light them on fire. Ooh! I filled these 2 solo cups with explosives. Hey. It is currently 4th of July Eve, it's July 3rd, and I have a crazy thing planned for today, but as you can see, people are already doing fireworks. There we go. And I want to go try and chase them and see where they are and find them. So I got the scooter and I'm gonna bring a bag so I can bring the camera, and I will see you guys if I find out the fireworks or where they're setting them off. I have a good idea of where they're setting them off, so I'll get back to you when I get to that. Oh. All right, so I just got here. They are shooting off fireworks over here. They're also shooting them off over there, but I couldn't see them, so I came here. Oh, yo, it's not even the 4th of July yet. I don't know what they're doing. That's crazy. I'm gonna try and get closer to that house. I don't know where it is, but I wanna see that up close. Whoa. I found out the best spot, and it's right here. I had to go a little to find a street light, but the main people that were doing it are done for the night, so I'm gonna head back. There's still some people doing it, but I can't see it. They might be in a different neighborhood or in the mountains, so I'm gonna head back, then I'll catch you all tomorrow on the real 4th of July. I still don't know why people are doing stuff tonight, but oh well. So I'm gonna head back, and I will see you guys on the 4th of July. All right, Evernham fam, it is the next day, and let me go get something.
That was really scary. Oh my god, no, it's not.
Got it. So if you weren't watching my channel a few years ago, on the 4th of July, I strapped these fireworks sparkler things to a remote control car, and roll the clip. And I was trying to think how I could one-up that this year. I was just thinking and thinking, and then I finally thought of something. I went ahead and got a drone, which you guys actually saw from the title and thumbnail. But yeah, we're gonna tape some of these to the drone, light them on fire, and then fly it in the air, and hopefully we don't explode anybody's house. But that's gonna be later tonight, and as for right now, let's enjoy the 4th of July. It's the 4th of July! Woohoo! It's not as impressive in the daytime. No. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go check out this house we have next door that they're building. They were building it pretty efficiently for a good few months, and then they kind of just stopped. I'm not sure why. Oh, wow. Dude, they added basement steps. The last time I was here, this was just a gaping hole. Actually, this is my first time ever going in the basement. Let's check this out. What the heck? I hope these stairs are sturdy. I hope I don't just fall through as I go under. This looks like the murder room. Dude, they already have like the ventilation and everything set up. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe they are working hard on it. Sorry. Wow. Yeah, I'm kicking that in if I was breaking in. But yeah, that's the update on the house next door. Still nothing crazy yet. They are a ways away from it being done, for sure. But in other news, we've been putting together a grill so we can grill food for the summer, because our last grill, I'm not even joking, it literally exploded. Roll the clip.
Not working, Natalie. It's actually burning it.
But yeah, that was pretty bad. So we had to get a new one because it exploded and everyone was kind of scared to use it, and like some stuff like melted on the inside, and it was just bad. But yeah, we're about to roll it out, and it's gonna be the 2025 Evernham Summer Grill. If you're subscribed, you're invited to the cookout. And this is the grill that's headed out. They had to rig up this thing. It's because we have the rocks here, so they're gonna try to roll it over, and then it's gonna go right there. Alrighty, we're gonna push it over to the patio now. We're in a dilemma right now. The cardboard theory, it didn't work.
I think it will once it gets,
it's uprooted. Oh, I'm sorry.
He's got it.
Go.
Good job.
Alrighty, we got it. Surprisingly, we're making progress. I didn't think we would be here. Oh, now we got this. There's another barrier. We need to get rid of these rocks.
oh yeah.
Okay.
The grill is complete. I did absolutely nothing other than roll it, but we're here. Though there is one fault with the grill. As you can see, it has a little blemish. I don't know if I could call that little, but it still works. Yeah. We actually don't know if it works yet, but we will eventually see. But yeah, that'll be in the vlogs later on. Actually, these are remnants of the burning from the last grill, dude. Once again, roll the clip.
It's not working, Natalie. It's actually burning it.
Shit.
Get some water.
But yeah, the work here is done. The Yankees are about to be on. It's the 4th of July, so I'll see you guys when I can pick up the vlog again.
But he's got to change up that. Not too many are hitting right now. Pretty good when it comes to that hard hit percentage.
Come on.
Breaking ball hit right now to Correa all year.
Oh. As you can see, some people are starting fireworks. It is a little late now. I'm gonna go ahead and take a drive, see if I see anything. There are some big fireworks going off that I hear. Oh, here's some stuff here. Not gonna lie, it looks like there's a fire. There's not, but it looks like there is. I'm also a little scared to drive down there because there's fireworks. I don't want the car to go like. Last year we filled up an entire red Solo cup, one of these, with poppets and threw it in the air. It's literally filled to the brim. I think we're probably gonna do it again this year, except with 2. But yeah, I got the lighter and the sparklers, so I'm gonna head outside. All right, I have 3 packages of these. Hopefully this goes well. Oh my god! Bro!
America.
America, baby! Ow, it's hurting. Oh my god! Dude! Yo, look at this! It's still red. That was insane. I did not actually expect that. All right, since that was such a success, I'm gonna do 5 packages. All right, this is 6 of them. I did like 3 or I think I did 4 last time. This is gonna be insane. Oh my gosh. Y'all better leave a like on the video for this one. In 3, 2, 1. Six sparkler cases in 3, 2, 1. Oh.
You're fine.
Oh.
You're fine.
Oh. 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 That's crazy.
You're fine.
That's crazy. He's spraying it and it's still red.
You're fine or what?
Oh.
You're fine.
Oh.
You're fine.
Oh. It literally, like it was getting pretty warm, so I just dropped them. That's crazy. Can you guys see all the smoke from everybody doing fireworks? Right there. Wow. Oh! I don't know if you guys heard it on camera, but it was like the fire. All right, I just combined 6 piles of the same stuff, and I'm gonna have them on the floor this time so we can see the full entire explosion, and so I don't have to drop them because they're so hot. All right, I'm gonna light it up and let's see what happens. I gotta light the other side. Keep it. Woo! Woohoo! Look at that! Woohoo! Smoke. And this is the remnants of everything. Oh my. So we're gonna fill these up and throw them in the street, and hopefully we get double the explosion as last time. I filled these 2 solo cups with explosives, and I'm gonna go explode them. In 3, 2, 1. Some hit me on the way down. Subscribe! This is the shot of the street. Oh my. Wow. Alright you all, it is now officially time for the reason you clicked on the video. I'm gonna be putting these onto the drone, and I will see you guys when I'm done assembling this. The creation is made, so now let's go outside and test this out. Alright y'all, we are outside now, and I have the contraption here, so I just taped on the fireworks on all 4 sides. This is gonna be crazy. Hopefully this works out, but let's just send the drone up. Alrighty, let's do this. Light. Check. Subscribe everybody. That's crazy. That was insane. You guys have to subscribe for that. That was crazy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. We gotta get 100 likes for that. This has never been done before on YouTube. Fireworks on a drone? Never. But yeah, that's been your boy Preston. Peace out, Evernham fam. Subscribe. See you in the next one.